Sa mga decision ba natin sa ating buhay, mas nangingibabaw ang gigil o pagpipigil? Ang Diyos o ang horoscope? Ang feelings o ang Holy Spirit? You don't have to live a foolish life if you're going to make a decision right now na sundin ang ating Panginoon. Are you willing to be guided by God? Or you want to have it your way? Pansinin niyo ang Diyos, iba-iba ang dealing niya sa bawat tao. Bawat isa sa atin, ina-adapt ng Diyos yung kanyang paggabay sa ating kanya-kanyang pangangailangan. Faith in God is very important. We are not smarter than our God. We are not wiser than our God. We are not stronger than our God. Kahit mataas ang ating pinag-aralan, mataas ang tingin natin sa ating mga sarili, ang Diyos po natin na nakakaalam kung kailan ang tamang panahon para sa lahat ng bagay. And you may want God to be your guide. Kailangan mo lang basahin ang sinasabi ng ating Panginoon. God is willing to direct you. This book has a lot of principles that are still relevant in our generation right now. Most of the time, hindi natin kailangan ng miracle. Hindi natin kailangan ng pillar of cloud. Hindi natin kailangan ng pillar of fire. We don't need to be guided by the clouds. We just need to trust the Lord that whatever He wrote in this 1,000-year-old book is our guiding light, the guiding principle for our decision. Even in your darkest moment, He will be with you. At kung saan ka man dalhin ng Panginoon, huwag kang matakot. Where God guides, He will provide.